Uh, Let me introduce by myself first. My name is Sang Cheong. Actually, in Korean, Chong Sang-gu. I'm from the South Korea, and my company is developed the world's first electronic self-cleaning technology. So we name it Drop-Free Glass. So can I start? Okay, let me start. Okay, when I driving a car in a rain day, I felt not quite comfortable because of a malfunction of a side mirror, sometimes rear view camera. What about you feel? So, I tried to find a, way, current solution for that problem. Then it categorized, three different ways. First is a heat wire. And wipers, this is a mechanical motion, and air blower. But as you used to experience, heat wire takes couple minutes actually to clean the older raindrop on the surface. And then mechanical wiper is quite bulky. And then air blower, even sometimes dangerous because it needs air container, right? So we try to find a way. And then it comes out, okay, good idea. We use two different already commercially available method. One is a hydrophobic coating. The other one is a electric field active control, we say that. Oh, yeah. He gave me the sign, okay, it works. Okay, as you can see, this is not what we've done. We are not the first for this. This is a well-known physical phenomenon. So this is a drum net, and bottom of this drum net, we have an electrode. Then when we apply the voltage, we can control the surface wettability. That's why drum net spread on the surface. Then what we did, actually we changed the electric pattern. Then we found a way to control the electric signal. Then we found that we can control the drum net motion in one direction. So we call this is a drop-free glass. Somebody asked me, what is meaning of a drop-free glass? Even you drop the glass, no freezing? No. By drop-free glass, actually, the glass drop-free. So there is no drops on the glass. And then this is a first worldwide invent. This is automotive camera applications. Maybe you can apply this one to the side view. Even you can apply to the rear view camera. Then you can see what's gonna happen. So this is, we applied it. Can you see? We activate only this region. That's why all the drops on the specific location just completely removed. Wasn't you surprised? Because it happened in 1 second. What about heat wires? It takes normally couple minutes, maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Compared to that, it's extremely fast. So we apply, these two. Rear view camera is coming, but now was quite clear. But once we activate drop-free glass, all of a sudden, all the drops just completely removed within 1 second. We also apply this one to the side mirror. This one person coming, we activate the drop-free glass, we can make a clear vision. Okay, now we are working really hard. Why? Because commercialize these products. Then maybe this product have automotive driver safety and convenience. So that's why we are working really hard. We collaborate from the camera module company to the automakers. So all the symbols. Actually, yesterday I just visited the Baleo in France. We really work hard together. to make commercialize this product. Then do you think it is only available for the automotive application? Not really. We also can apply this wonderful technology to the action camera. Even we can apply to the drone, right? Let me show you for the action camera application first. We bring the action camera in the sea and rivers. Then we have this kind of situation, right? Okay, young people have a lot of experience this. Then using drop-free glass, we can guarantee you can have always, all the time, clean view, camera view. That is a very important, right? That's not all. One other critical issue is a fogging. So even also I wear my glasses. In this winter season, when I came into the building from the outside, I have a fogging issue, right? But you don't need to worry about it, because my drop-free glass can remove even 1 nanoliter droplet. So we can clean all of the droplet, okay? Then now we are focused on the camera applications, but later we can scale up the size. Then we can apply these glasses. Later we can apply this to the large size mirrors, isn't it? Then what about this? Later, if we can apply this outdoor window, it's gonna be really strong and very interesting. You know what? This is a video for the automatic wiper. This was invented by about 100 years ago. Since then, there is no critical change at all. So Microsystem, we want to develop auto without this mechanical wiper. We want to switch with electronic button. Then it can prove and give car driver much safer and convenience. Thank you for wonderful time.
Thank you very much. All right. Good morning, everybody. Sorry for a little bit of the delay. My name is Victor Horcasitas, and we're going to go ahead and get some questions and answers after we have time for all the presentations. Thank you very much. And just a quick reminder, if